Hi, welcome to the channel for coding interview. Today we are going to see a Leetcode easy question. Two sum. Most commonly asked question, lot of interviews. I'll go through the question. Given an array of integers nums and integer target which should return indices of two integers in that array such that their values will add up to the target. So we can they also given that it will contain only one exact possible solution, and we should not use the same element twice, and we can return the answer in any order. I'll go through the example now. So given an array 2, 7, 11 and 15, the target value is 9. Now we should return indices of two values from the array nums such that their values will add up to 9. So in the array nums, the first elements 2 and 7 upon adding will give us 9. So we can return the indices 0 and 1. As mentioned in the question, we can return them in any order. Let's say 0 and 1 will also be correct. 1 comma 0 will also be the correct answer. Similarly, the rest of the examples as well. And as the constraint is given as the nums array length will vary from 2 to 10 power 9. Since we have to return indices of two elements, the array size varies from 2 to 10 power 4. Similarly, the array element range varies from minus 10 power 9 to 10 power 9, and the target could also vary from minus 10 power 9 to 10 power 9. And again, they mentioned that only one valid solution exists. So the follow-up question is whether we can do it any way less than of n square time complexity. So it's an easy question. We can easily do it with one data structure. The O of n square solution involves two for loops to iterate through all the elements in the nums twice in different combinations such that we will come up with one combination where adding two elements will result in the value of target. So the other approach, using that we can solve this question in O of n time complexity as well as O of n space complexity. So coded the solution and now I'll show the solution. It is using the map data structure. Since we don't need to maintain any order like ascending order or descending order, I have used unordered map, and it involves integers. So the data type of the map is int comma int. I will iterate through the array and I will check whether the current element value at that particular index and minus the target value. So let's say 2 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15. The target is 9. Now I will check if the target minus nums. So target 9 minus current value is equal to 7. Currently I'm traversing the element at index 0. So I'll check if the map consists of this element. No, it doesn't consist. So it will come to the next step where we add the element 2 with the value of that index 0. So I've added it. Now I'll go to the next value 7. I will check target now minus 7. 9 minus 7, which results in 2. I'll check if the value of 2 exists in our map. Yes, it exists. So that is how we find the value, whether the values exist in this map or not. And if it is not equal to the end of that data structure, then we will return the value, index value of that element and the current index. So that's the answer. So while iterating through all the elements and doing so, we will get the indices of two values which will add up to the target. So just to get rid of compile errors, I will just return -1 comma -1 at the end. So I'll submit the answer. Yes, it's got submitted. So that is it. Using map, we can easily solve the question. Thank you.